chez moi. Sur les gouttières ruisselantes, je l'ai trouvé sur un toit. Dans sa traîne brûlante, c'était un matin, ça sentait le café. Tout était recouvert de givre, elle s'était cachée sous un livre et la lune finissait ivre. Moi aussi j'ai une fée chez moi et sa traîne est brûlée. Elle doit bien savoir qu'elle ne peut pas, ne pourra jamais plus voler. D'autres ont essayé avant elle, avant toi, une autre était là. Je l'ai trouvée repliée sous ses ailes et j'ai cru qu'elle avait froid. Moi aussi j'ai une fée chez moi. Depuis mes étagères,
жалким, луна была близко, она так дрожала и что-то сказала, что еще не скоро. На мертвое море рассыпятся горы, рассохнутся планы, расклеются ленты. Размажутся страны по континентам. И буду самкой дельфина, а ты большим белым китом. Буду самкой дельфина, а ты большим белым китом. Буду самкой дельфина, а ты большим белым китом. Залезли на крышу,
It starts with one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away, it's so unreal. Didn't look out below, watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. Kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
On the first page of a story, the future seemed so bright. Then this thing turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels have their wicked schemes, and you take that to new extremes. But you'll always be my hero, even though you've lost your mind. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, 'cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright, 'cause I love the way you lie.
Would you feed me fables from your head with violent words and empty threats? And it's sick that all these battles are what keeps me satisfied. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn, but that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry, but that's alright because I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. Oh, love the way you lie. Oh, so maybe I'm a masochist. I try to run, but I don't wanna ever leave till the walls are going up and smoke with all our memories.
This morning, you wake, a sun ray hits your face, smeared makeup as we lay in the wake of destruction. Hush, baby, speak softly. Tell me you're awfully sorry that you pushed me into the coffee table last night so I can push you off me. Try and touch me so I can scream at you not to touch me. Run out the room and I'll follow you like a lost puppy. Baby, without you I'm nothing. I'm so lost, hug me, then tell me how ugly I am, but that you'll always love me. Then after that, shove me in the aftermath of the destructive path that we're on. Two psychopaths, but we know that no matter how many knives we put in each other's backs, that we'll have each other's backs, cause we're that lucky. Together we move mountains. Let's not make mountains out of molehills. You hit me twice, yeah, but who's counting? I may have